Coach Frederick here with Mississippi College Sports Performance. We're going to go over the push-up. Now, this is something you may have done your whole entire life. You may be really great at it, you may be really terrible at it, okay? But we're going to do them perfect here, okay? Eventually, we will load them up and add resistance to them. However, we've got to be picture perfect in our technique on a push-up to start with, okay? So what that will look like is our hands will be directly up underneath our shoulders. So we don't want to be way out wide. We don't want to be under our face. Hands right up under our shoulders. Pointer finger straight ahead. Okay, we don't want to be rotated in. Don't want to be rotated out. Pointer finger straight ahead. From there, we're going to get in that push-up plank position, just like we did in our movement prep. Perfectly straight line with our body. From our back of our head down to the back of our heels, we should look like a board. Okay, so that's our starting position. Feet are together. We don't want our feet apart. Feet are together and toes are tucked up underneath us. Okay, from there, we're going to go down. Chin and chest will touch the floor at the same exact time. What that's going to help us do is not reach with our head as we go down and not reach with our chest or stomach as we go down. That's going to help us maintain that perfect posture, that plank posture that we've talked about before, okay? So we're in our perfect position here. Down, chin and chest touch the floor, and we drive back up. My body did not move except with my arms. That's all that moves. Body is in a perfect plank position. Down, punch back up. Now, some people have a tendency to keep their elbows tucked to them. Some people have a tendency to flap those wings out like a chicken wing, okay? We want to be right in between. So at our armpit, we should have a 45-degree angle right here, okay? Arms off of our side just a little bit. Don't want them tucked in. Don't want them flailing out, okay, like a chicken wing. Right here at 45 degrees is where we should stay the whole time. So here we go down, we're at 45 degrees, and we drive back up in the same way, okay? Now, if you cannot do a perfect push-up on the floor, a normal perfect push-up, then this is what you can do. You go on an elevated surface. You can use a bench, for example. You can use a bar inside the rack. However high you need to be in order to elevate your body this way to where you are pushing against less of your body weight. The technique, everything stays the exact same. You're just elevating your torso up as high as you need to in order to make that push-up easy enough for you to do it perfectly. That's the push-up.